Okay, go get another one. Yes. Hanging ornaments. Okay. Next one. Picture or video?
Video.
Come on, use two hands. Use two hands. He's not feeling. I feel so bad. He doesn't feel good.
Why doesn't he put them down below?
Use two hands. Come on, bud.
Poor cat doesn't know what's going on.
Go ahead, hang on. Look at Matthew over there.
I put up there.
Yeah, you did. Right there. That's good. Oh.
Up there.
He is struggling so bad. I feel so bad, buddy.
Up. I'll try again.
You want me to put it up for you?
Yeah.
Okay. Here you go. Matthew, your turn. Come here, let's go get an ornament. Your turn, grab an ornament. You got one?
Yeah.
Come on. Let's put one up high, okay? Ready? Yeah. There you go. There you go. Good job. You want to put it up high, Ryan? Here. Ready? Okay, go ahead, put it up. Great job. No. He gets a turn too. Come on. Ready? Here, let's put one right there. Good job. We filled up most of the top half of the tree now.
Like that.
That does go right like that.
Where's Mama's favorite ornament with the frog?
Ready? Yeah.
It's a big wheel.
Here. Come on, we can go to this side of the tree. Wow, there's nothing over here, bud. Wait. Oh, okay, you already put it on. Come here, Ryan. Ready? You ready? Ugh.
It won't work. Oh,
Here.
no.
Here, hold on. Bicycles. Ready?
Santa.
3, 2, 1. Yay!
Beautiful.
The lights are on. Yay! Those are nice, huh? What do you think, Ryan? Is that pretty?
It's red.
Is that pretty, buddy?
Yeah.
We do a good job?